How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can cut shapes in Lightburn. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to basically put your shape right here. Now, in my case, I'm going to be putting an quarter circle or a semicircle or half circle to whatever you call it. And then basically, we are going to start with an ellipse tool. Now, from there, I'm going to add another one, which is going to be a rectangle just to make things easier. Now I'm going to show you how powerful this is. And then we are going to use the cut tool. Now with the cut tool, basically you need to separate your objects together. So in my case, since I want to make a half circle, I'm going to click on the middle part right here. And then I'm basically going to select the outer part of my rectangle. That will allow me to simply create this semicircle right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and modify something like a rectangle with a circle around it, we can then click on the circle bottom part. Then we can cut this middle part right here. And now we have this unique shape that we have made on our Lightburn. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.